everybody, welcome back. I have a new strategy for us today. We're going to learn how to add numbers by breaking them apart. And another word for breaking them apart is decomposing. So if I want to add the two numbers 45 plus 39, 45 is really the numbers 40 plus 5, your tens plus your ones. And if I do the same thing with 39, 39 is really 30 and 9. So what I'm going to do on this side of my page is I'm going to add up my ones first. The ones in this digit is 5 plus the ones in this digit, which is a 9. And 5 plus 9 equals 14. Now I'm going to add up my tens. In this number, the 4 represents 40. In this number, the 3 represents 30. Now, if I know 4 plus 3 equals 7, then I know 40 plus 30 equals 70. I just add the 0 back on because I'm adding my tens. The last step for addition is to add up my two answers here. I have the sum of 70 and 14. So 70 plus 14 equals 84. So the answer to 45 plus 39 equals 84.